Hi, I'm Sarah Elengorn with Elengorn Realtors, and today I'm going to share with you the answers to the most frequently asked questions we get when speaking with buyers wanting to purchase in Vallarta. So, what is it you need to know? We're often asked if it's actually possible for foreigners to purchase real estate in Vallarta, and the short, simple and straightforward answer is yes, absolutely. In order to purchase, we do need to open a bank trust, which becomes your will and testament here in Mexico, and will safely and easily leave the property to your loved ones without the need to go before a judge or go through an expensive probate procedure in the event of your death. I even have Mexican clients who have opted for this trust because it's so clean and easy. So, what is the cost for this trust? You need to budget about $500 per year to maintain this trust active. Your property is held in this trust with a bank, but don't worry, it isn't part of their assets, and if something were to happen to the bank, or it's merged with another bigger bank, let's say, the trust would just be transferred to that new bank and continues. So how long is the trust held for? Most trusts here are a 50-year term, which automatically extends in the event of any of us, well, in the event that any of us are around another 50 years, it would just extend automatically. You never know, right? You can also assume someone else's trust. So let's say a foreigner is selling to another foreigner, you can actually skip all the setup fees, which are around $2,500. So if it is an option to assume someone's trust, it might be worth considering. The trust also allows you to name your beneficiaries, and you can stipulate as many people as you would like to and give their percentages of ownership. In a partnership with both of you on the title, for example, you can name each other in first instance, and in the event of both of your deaths, you can name a secondary beneficiary to take it on after you.